Well, this is a new purchase. The 98 Mitsubishi Pajero. Made him a nice little harness there. Yeah, the old seat belts from the old car. Unclip him there, clip him into the seat. Around there. All hand sewn. Just no easy feat because of the seatbelt material. So when they brought the car over, they dropped it off. I went and moved my other car. I go to jump in this and it doesn't start. So I sent a message, hey, am I missing something here? They're like, oh, we'll come back. In the meantime, I've checked the battery. She's all good. Diagnosed that it's the starter motor. It's died just as they've dropped it off. So they offered to buy a new one, which is obviously the right thing to do. We had to push the car in next to my caravan. New starter motor the next day, fire up, away she went. I'm out here at Pelican Point. Beautiful place. I mean, look at this. How lovely. Couple of houseboats over there. I reckon, buddy, we're lucky to get a little break in the rain, eh? Real lucky. Yeah, roof racks for the kayak. Pretty happy. The weird thing is that the old car starter motor started to die on it right around the time that I was looking at this car. Almost like it knew it was over for it. What a beautiful place. Heaps of people live up there, all fancy houses up that way. Yeah, it doesn't have the original jack in it. But it's got most of the toolkit here. It's even got this light, the original light in there. And the check this out. It's got the original Mitsubishi torch. Original Mitsubishi torch with Mitsubishi batteries in it. What? Unbelievable. She doesn't turn on, but you know, might get some batteries and see if she fires up. Well, mate, what do you reckon? Should we go and put some fuel in it? Go and get something nice for dinner? Celebration dinner? I'd love to get over there with the kayak. That looks really nice. Just trees upon trees. Don't know whether it'd be wise with the dog. Certainly can't go hiking anywhere. He's struggling to walk very well, so I got him a wheelchair thing, one of those things that straps on the back legs. That'll be here this week. Right, buddy. All right, let's go then. Let's get out of here, mate.